30 degrees cold start, and that is with the muffler.
Feel just like a rock star. Like a rock star. Like a rock star. Man, I feel just like a rock star. Like a rock star.
That's like a morning workout, but we're headed over to dealer options. Let's get this started. Woo! Yo, Connor, sneak peek. Should we show everybody? 12-inch lift?
Nah.
It's got stock wheels. Nah, not yet.
No.
Dude.
Ready for it.
All right, let me just show them the shocks. That is nasty. We'll show them the rear shocks too.
Thing is, this thing is still going probably 5 inches.
The what?
It's probably gonna go up 5 more inches.
Yeah, after the wheels and tires.
And this already is
or tires. Dude.
This might be the biggest truck that I've ever liked.
You know what's crazy?
This.
Yeah, this is crazy. That looks so goofy.
You gotta spray a truck first.
That's fine. Didn't you say he ordered what, 26 by 14 or 16?
26 by 26.
26 by 26?
Yeah, they're new.
Nice.
No, 26 by 14. Yep.
Chrome?
Chrome.
They already discontinued it?
Already. Yep, already done making them.
After his?
After his.
Really? So his was the first one?
His was the first.
So it's literally like a limited edition now.
Pretty much, from what we understand. They got 3 that are dipped.
Yeah.
The last one isn't sticking. So don't buy a chrome inch 26-inch wheel.
So they're just discontinuing the 26-inch on chrome?
Mm-hmm. It's RBP.
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 RBP. Yo, this thing's gonna be sweet though. Hey boy.
Yo. Let's see what these other things are.
Let's look. You? Alright, I'm returning them.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, cameraman. I'm Rahman. It's only a 6-lug.
Don't do that to me. You're gonna make it fit if it's a 6-lug.
Yeah, I know.
Figure it out.
We'll just add a couple lugs.
Yeah. Hey, at least it's not my old wheels. The 22 by 14 and 37s. These should be easier, right? Yep, you guessed it. Fury Off-Road. Let's see, 40 by 15 or 1550. Yep, these are my tires. Right, Ernie?
Correct.
Correct.
I think you'll have minor rubbing.
Minor rubbing.
Yep.
It's okay, I'm gonna get you to trim some stuff.
Oh, I'll trim it.
Yeah.
Let's see. Fine. Just a 5-1 more. Yeah, just a 5-1
That was cool.
Alright, went and got some breakfast. Truck is done. Let's go check it out. Have you looked at it yet? What?
Savage, you're savage.
What? What'd I do?
YouTube, you're savage. Wow, you got a new Jeep.
Yep, that's my Jeep. About to
Holy moly, dude.
about to tow it home.
I've never seen a Duramax go to a Jeep before.
Yep.
I can't believe we did that for you.
Yep, dealer
We
options.
do pretty cool customization stuff.
Yep.
We can pretty much take your truck and dial it down. You know, just get some sandpaper and just trim it up. And we can get you a Jeep.
That's right.
Yeah, that's our newest,
Duramax to a Jeep conversion, huh?
yeah. You still got the same engine, we just had to file it down too and make it a little smaller.
Right.
So it's still a Duramax, it's just like,
And you had to add spark plugs to it.
yeah, we did a couple different things. We did just some different things.
Alright.
Can't really get into details. Alright, we'll cut there.
Enough with that.
Start.
Oh, sweet.
Woo!
Fresh.
Just a little bit dirty on the upper part.
Yeah, I'm gonna wash it today. Just look at it.
Just look at it.
That's not Brad. I was about to say picture. I was about to say video that guy.
Awkward. Awkward.
Dude.
That's alright. Someone's
Yeah.
calling me. Josh Cito. Connor speaking. What do they want? Okay. Thanks.
All right, back to the video.
Phone call. Got a phone call from
Phone
me.
call.
Phone call.
Dude,
from
that's
me.
sweet.
Yep. Those are good.
I want to see how well the Fury off-road tires ride.
You'll be back after truck meet and get some new ones.
That's right. No, I think I'm gonna wait till I hit 50,000 subscribers to get the lift in 22 by 12
50,000?
or 22 by 14.
Let's do 49.
49,000. Yeah, we'll do it at
50.
49.
We'll do 50. We'll do 50.
You sure?
Well, 49,999.
Okay, 49,999. You guys heard it?
I want to be that subscriber.
Yeah?
You can already subscribe. I'll make a new account.
Make a new account. Woo!
I'm gonna make how many subscribers you got now?
I think I'm at like 28,000.
Okay, I'll make 25,000 YouTube accounts.
Okay, works with me.
I got you.
But look at that. What do you guys think? Do y'all like it?
I don't think they do.
You don't think so?
Ooh, I
Why?
don't know. It's gonna be close.
I don't know. A lot of people are gonna be butthurt because I'm ditching the Forces to go to Anthem.
True.
But then a lot of people wanted me to go to Anthem and ditch the Forces.
It's gonna look good either way. It looks good either way. It's
Yeah.
gonna look good.
Either
Either way, it can't go wrong.
I've always been a fan of black rims or
Black
black
on black.
wheels. Black on
It
black.
looks good. It's good. It's good. It's a good amount of black and chrome, and you did good. I think you did good.
Thank you, sir. Truck's a little taller now that it's got some tread. Look at that. I actually have some tread now. I had so many people ask me, when are you gonna get new tires?
Me?
No, I've had so many people ask me
Oh.
when I'm gonna get new tires.
Those are the same tires.
Those
We
are the
just
same tires. That's
Reapplied
right.
tread.
Dealer options, they do everything.
Reapplied tread and tread pattern.
Yep.
We can do a little bit of everything. Kept the original tires, reapplied. We're special over here.
And these are actually the new tires.
Yep.
These are actually the new tires.
Well, those are the one. Well, yeah. Those
You did
are
a
the new
conversion.
ones, right?
Yeah, those are the new ones.
We had to put those on just to put them on the wheel.
Right.
So you didn't have any idea of what really went on.
Right.
We didn't want to look skeptical, so
Man,
can't tell everybody our secrets and stuff.
The truck is really dirty. I wish I had a white truck, because your truck's really dirty, but you can't really tell.
Ask them if we should do the what do you call it? Ceramic coating.
Ceramic coating?
See what they think.
Mr. Ernie.
See what they think about ceramic coating.
Is that your dad?
That's my dad.
That's your dad.
Your dad. He's a pretty good guy.
Pretty good guy. He gave you a job here, so I would say he's a pretty nice guy.
He's a pretty nice guy.
Yo,
He's
I like
pretty
it.
nice.
I like it. I like it a lot.
Yeah, ceramic coating.
Like
Are we gonna do it or what, guys?
Overall, I like chrome. Like I was never a fan of like chrome or polished wheels, in general, especially with black trucks. And the fact that this came with chrome wheels or polished wheels, they didn't look too bad. And in my opinion, I think I still like black better. And I think black just makes your vehicle look mean overall, but chrome makes it look clean. And I'm more a fan of that mean look than like the clean chrome look. So let me know what you guys think. With the fresh set of tires, truck feels heavier. I don't know, but oh my gosh, overall just the ride is so much smoother now because I actually have some tread. So I'll give you guys I guess like a review on the Fury off-road tires later, maybe later in the week. Let me get some driving time with these, because I mean Fury off-road tires are relatively new. There's not too many reviews or really anything about them, so I'm not sponsored. I paid full price for these tires. I will give you guys yeah, I'm not sponsored. I pay full price for these tires. I will give you guys my honest opinion on how they feel, how they ride, and how they wear. They are on the cheaper side, so I don't expect too much. So we'll see. So far, they're pretty smooth, and it's been like 5 minutes. By the way, the CP3 pump did come in, and I'm getting a few other stuff from Screaming Diesel Performance. This is for those of you guys who are complaining, saying that I'm not doing any performance mods. I am. So there's a lot of people, there's a few people that comment and kind of complain that, you know, all I did was headlights, taillights, and like light stuff. But in all honesty, I've only had this truck for like a month now. So, I mean, I feel like it's gone through a good amount of changes in a month. And also with like performance upgrades, I'm working with Screaming Diesel Performance. And it's not like I can just order whatever I want to. I kind of have to wait for their invoice, and then I'm talking to them on like what they want me to, what they would like for me to promote, and what I would like to install on my vehicle. So it takes time. Those headlights and taillights, those are cheap, and I ordered those. Those are not sponsored parts. So I can buy them, I can make the video however I want. So that's why it's easy for me to do those, and it's cheaper, and also more content for you guys while you guys wait for me to do bigger things like performance upgrades. So, yep. So this is for those of you guys who are complaining about performance upgrades. CP3 pump is here, and we're gonna get the CP3 conversion kit, and we're gonna do some other stuff that I'm not gonna tell you just yet. It's gonna be farm truck related though. I was gonna wash the truck, but I changed my mind. I'm gonna wash it tomorrow when Dalton gets here. But yeah, check it out, y'all. Let me go on the other side. Just look at it. Just look at it. Look at these. Just look at those. Just look at it.
Yeah.
Look at it. Look at them. Alright, so what do you guys think? I already know I'm gonna get a lot of hate for ditching American Forces, but honestly, I feel like those American Forces didn't even look that good. and if I want, I'd rather get like 22 by or 24 by like 14 or 24 by 16 American Forces instead of 22 by 12. I am gonna stick with Anthem because they are my sponsor, and I have a feeling, I believe in Anthem, and I just love the way they communicate with everybody on social media. That's kind of the company I like to work with. And I feel like in the future, Anthem's gonna come out with some forged wheels, and I want to be one of the first people to represent their forged wheels. I want to start with them from here, and then I want to end up with them up here. Let me finish this video by showing you guys a little package from Sick Gear. They sent me some stuff for the truck meet. This is what Sick Gear sent me. They sent me some bracelets and lanyards. And what I'm gonna do is, if you're a VIP member or if you got the VIP spot, you'll get one of these to kind of know that you're a VIP. And then we're gonna give out lanyards too. So if you're a VIP, we're gonna give away one of these and then a lanyard, so that way you can put it on your wrist and then put this around your neck if you wanted to, just so that we know that you're a VIP. Every VIP will get a decal from Sick Gear as well, Boost Auto Parts decal, and koozie as well. All the online registration for VIP is over now, but if you want, we will take in walk-in appointments or walk-in VIPs that day. So if we have any spots available, I'm expecting to have at least about 15 spots left, so first come, first serve. I'll see you guys then.